Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to italic your text in Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first, open your Word document file. Firstly, then I show the Word document file is from the now page. Now then show the text. This text is italic. Now select from the text option. Now going to the home menu option. Now click for the italic option. Then show the text is large. That's it. Then select from the other text from italic. Now select from the text. Now going to the home menu option. Now click for the italic option. That's it. Then again another text option. Now for select. Now going to the home menu option. Now click for the italic option. That's it. Then I show the italic your text in Microsoft Word is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.